Ayan, welcome back again to Dudut's Kitchen. Andito na naman tayo sa panibagong episode ng Ken A. Cookbook. Teach my friend how to cook.
Ang nakaraan sa Dudut's Kitchen, sinubukan ng mga kalahok na sina Igme at Geng na magluto ng bistek. Ngayong episode, sina Burong at Steve naman ang susubukin ng cookbook ni Ninong Rai.
Susundan lamang ng ating mga kalahok ang nandito sa libro. Pag nagustuhan ko kung paano nila naluto, babayaran ko ang niluto nila ng 5,000 piso. Kailangan lang nila bumunot sa ating palabunutan kung ang makukuha ba nila ay ang easy dish, medyo mahirap dish, at super hard dish. Pasok na, mga kalahok. Wow! Ang ating mga kalahok may uniform. From 1 to 10, i-rate mo ang cooking skills ni Boss.
Ah, siya? Parang sa akin, perfect 10, bro.
Ikaw naman, i-rate mo yung cooking skills ni Steve.
0. Ako lang magdadala kasi ng the head chef and the assistant.
Pili kayo sa tatlong daliri ko. Ano ang mapupunta sa inyong dish ngayon? Putang bunutan niya, daliri lang.
Ito may isa pa.
Ibig sabihin yan, tama-tama. Easy, medium, hard. Medium dish.
Medium.
Ang medium dish para sa ating araw, para ngayong araw na to ay caldereta ni Ninong Rai. Teka lang, bibiling ko muna yung ingredients niya, maghintay lang kaya.
Ganun? Bibili ba?
bili?
Pare, bili lang ingredients. Balik kami.
Ito na.
Dyan na pala.
bilis ah.
Nabili ko na ang inyong ingredients. Pwede nyo akong hingihan ng tulong for 3 times only. Okay, let's get cooking.
Gusto mo ang kaldereta, gawin kong ice cream sa harapan mo eh. So ano kailangan natin?
Ay, grabe yung ingredients, pare.
Welcome back sa Kitchen's Dudut na naman. Magluluto tayo ng hindi kaldereta. Simulan na natin, pare. Jerome, slow mo naman dyan. Pinutusan si Jerome, kaya di naman si Jerome mag-edit. Sa pagluluto, hugas muna tayo ng kamay, pare.
Madali lang to, marunong si Boss magluto eh. Upak, nilatag yung karne.
Alam mo, importante na ma-check mo yan isa-isa kung magkakasize sila. Kasi pag may isa dyan, hindi niya kasize yung ibang karne, bubulihin niya yung mga maliliit na
Sa loob,
karne.
sa loob.
Eh, pag nabuli niya yung ibang, hindi magkakalasa yun. Kasi Ayan, so kung makikita nyo, magkakapareho yan. Magkakapareho lahat. Ilang oras ang meron tayo, pare? 60 minutes?
Step 1, read the recipe. Step 2,
Hey, give me the fucking mic! Damn, man, you're on fire! Dalawa, pag inihit ka, max-hit mo na. Lalagay mo ngayon yan, pare.
Arekta na!
Gagi, pare, wala yung step na yun dito.
Ito ang kulang sa step ni Ninong Rai.
Iniiba nila.
Araw-araw kasama ko to.
Ugali niya na yan.
Ugali niya yung let's do it my way. It always goes wrong.
Meron na yung ganyang parts, di ba?
Okay.
Aangat yung mga magdumi diyang parts.
Puta, hindi na nila ginagamit yung libro.
wala nang libro. Palalabog ko na lang to sa iyo.
Kahit Del Monte Kitchenomics, di susundin ito eh.
Taste. What's that?
Salty.
Salty. Okay, we put salt. We put salt, ha?
Ang galing ni Burong kasi yung sinasabi niyang lalabas lang, lumabas na.
Yan, pare, impurities yung tatanggalin natin dyan. Habang naggaganyan tayo, Jerome, slow mo muna.
Oh, wala pa. Wala pa may slow mo.
Heat chicken oil and brown the meat. Hindi mo ginawa yun.
Rekta niya pinakuluan. Ay, kumbaga, in-step niya yung step 1, step 2 na to agad.
Oo.
Saute garlic in the wok where the beef was brown.
Hindi.
It is white.
Yan, oh, kakain ka ba niyan, Bards?
Add tomato paste, simmer until tomatoes are cooked thoroughly.
Okay. Habang umaangat yung mga impurities niyan, tsaka tayo mag-EMEP ng gulay. Okay, so Dut, kailangan namin ng tulong mo dito. This is tulong number 1. You got the potatoes into cubes, ha?
Okay.
Okay.
Pangina, nautakan ako nitong mga to. Ginamit ako maigi.
Get the onions! Tell me, what are you? You are a stupid onion. We check the book if we are okay. In the book, we hit the chicken. Once the impurities are gone, we brown the meat. Once we brown the meat, we saute the garlic. Once the tomatoes are cooked, add it to the beef. Let it simmer over low fire.
For 3 to 4 hours?
That's why I did this already. Because the beef is already
Tender.
tender. Everything is under control. Now, my friend, it's your time to shine.
No.
Okay?
Don't give me responsibility, please. I will just pick things for you.
Just cut everything. Any cut you want is okay. Because we put everything and then later on, you will see caldereta tornado.
What seems to be the problem here?
I'm checking which side is the best.
Brother, every side is the same.
Ito talaga si Utos lang to eh.
I know, I'm letting him cook. Every detail is a key to success.
Pero ano ba sabi? Ano to ba gagawin dyan?
Saan?
Akamatis.
Malay ko. Sino ba yan?
Hindi nyo kasi tinitingnan yung libro eh.
Wala
Sa
bro.
sarili.
Brother, the juice is going away.
Wala ka namang ginagawa to eh. Pinakita na ni executive yung gilas niya sa luto. Uy. Uy. 40 minutes left.
Look. You do this.
Uy, Marco White.
Look very carefully, ha?
I'm looking.
Ano ba yun? Sounds ba ng kutsilyo yun? Sounds mo?
Look at that.
Wow.
Look at that. Now, after you do that, you do this.
I help.
You sure?
Yeah.
You will use his second help?
It's okay.
And then, you do this.
That's my technique.
Yeah.
You fast learner.
Yeah. Okay. What else I do?
Okay, now this one.
Okay, no problem.
It's okay.
Saan na ba tayo dito sa book?
Sometimes, stars are only guide. We have free will. So, wag maniniwala sa horoscope. Okay, now you check. Oh! It's now becoming more of a tapa. Now, you see impurities, they are gone.
I don't know where they went.
Look how tender. See?
Uy, siyempre naalog ko. 32 minutes remaining.
Okay.
More than enough.
Ginagawa siyang kakaibang teknik, oh. Binuhos niya. In-strain niya para yung mga ano. Oh, binalik niya.
We was.
I help. Mawad.
Okay.
Ay! Natapos na pala sa bawang yung tulong ko. Potato, onion, garlic.
It's okay. Assistant can was. It's okay.
Nako, 30 minutes na lang. Abot kaya itong dalawang to. Ito parang Chinese chowking. Uy, puta, grabe. Oh, nilagyan ng tubig kahit basa.
Everything.
Is under control.
Oh, onions, garlic. No. Brother, it's 25 minutes remaining. Uy, inuna yung bawang.
Bro, we didn't even brown the beef.
Better. We will brown the beef together with the garlic. Yes. Everything goes down here.
I mean, if everything is going down here, nothing is important.
No, what is important is the taste. Today, we are in the freestyle edition of Ninong Rice Cookbook. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Brother, when do we put the tomato?
Anytime you want.
Wala ka nang masundan kasi hindi mo na sinunod yung book.
Brother, it's okay.
And tomato paste, simmer until tomatoes are cooked thoroughly.
Ay, kailangan yata niluluto ang tomato paste. Lasang kalawang yata yan pag ganun.
Brother, I teach you how to put tomato paste, okay?
Uy, puta lahat.
Yeah, because you know why? It's just 70 grams.
Brother!
Hey!
Oh, now it's all wrong. Now it's all wrong.
Smells like lycopene.
Yes. Pure tomato.
Butter?
Water. Oh, there's so many water.
Oh, you didn't say stop. Oh, nilagay yung bell pepper. Amoy siyang hindi naluto na tomato paste. Sabi ko na nga kasi sundan niyo yung cookbook.
Bro, you know what, bro? I thought of something. Just put everything in blocks.
Jonathan.
Look at the cheese swimming with the beef.
Yeah, enough cheese?
Yeah, I think that's enough.
More than enough.
Coconut. Wow.
Wow.
Look at that. The color
Like
is
it-
changing.
Like lava.
This one greater.
Yeah, no.
No, this one better.
Oh, yes.
Add more.
Perfection.
Oh, liver.
See, only this you put here.
Parang kailangan na yata ng mixing niya ng maigi kasi masusunog na yata yung cheese dyan sa time na yan. Ilang minutes pa sila?
10 na lang.
I think sacrifice the potatoes, no more frying.
Yes. Wow, look at that. Wow.
Wow.
Alam niyo, hindi ako fan ng ano talaga, kaldereta. Medyo sinigang talaga ang specialty ko. Okay.
Ang tubig doy, ang daming sabaw.
Eh kasi ang dami mong tubig na nilagay eh. Brother, this is a sabotage. He put so many water.
Wala sinabing stop.
I cannot see the stop. There is no red light.
First time nila titikman.
It's like food in Thailand. Song Thai.
I will not give them the real reaction. With what I tasted, we are not in control anymore.
Ibig sabihin, hinahabol ni Boss Bulls.
Yes, yes. Sometimes the greatest battle is in the fourth quarter. We are now where?
Overtime.
11
We are-
minutes and 50 seconds remaining to mix because the cheese will stick.
It's okay. I like cheese stick too.
Ay, hindi kayo aabot doy. 10 minutes na lang.
Okay, right now what is the problem?
It doesn't look like caldereta.
If there's many water, what do we do?
We throw it away.
Yeah!
Tinapo.
Water?
Ano, sabi mo marunong ka.
Kasi pabalik ako
8 minutes and 55 seconds remaining. I think you use this. a lot.
Okay.
You finish this.
Yeah, put everything. No, not everything, just the half.
Control everything.
Oh, everything you got. Not everything in there.
Na sobrang putla.
What can we use to make this red? You get the Spanish paprika.
Gumamit na sila ng iba't ibang technique. Wala na. Malayo na to sa libro.
Oh, I think so many. Everything is under control.
Yung pagalo parang chow pa. Lumapot na. Malapot na siya.
What's the taste?
But it's now edible. Not the best, but edible.
Look for fish sauce.
4 minutes and 41 seconds.
One last mission. You grate the remaining cheese.
Ay, naamoy ko yung sunog sa ilalim. Sa puwet, kailangan ng halo.
It's the burnt taste that we are after.
Okay, the last 1 minute and 13 seconds.
You did not taste yet?
Not yet.
Okay.
Oh! It's timer. Buhutan sila ng time. Sige, total plating na lang naman. Bigay na natin sa kanila.
You put the cheese everywhere. Everywhere you see necessary, you put the cheese. Everybody, here is our own version of
Hindi ito kaldereta. Slow mo muna yan, pare.
Bago tikman ng ating host na si Dudut lang, this is our game plan all along. You thought we are doing it against the book?
You thought that we were acting like we don't know?
Fuck you. Big shout out to you, Ninong Rai. This one's for you. Wow, look at that. Like butter. Like butter.
You didn't see it coming. Definitely.
Tigas. Narinig niyo yung pagmuya ko.
Yes, that's the sound of?
Success.
Yes. You are the in success. Wow, look at the reaction. Oh my God.
Masarap. Tigas lang yung karne. Wala akong nalasahang bell pepper.
You eat the bell pepper. You did not eat the bell pepper. If you want to taste bell pepper, you eat the bell pepper.
Sabaw ay napaka-creamy, napaka-rich.
Just like we planned, bro.
Ang tigas nga ng beef.
Okay, sorry to say, boys, I will not pay for this meal.
Wow, you are so scammer.
Laking factor talaga nung karne. Like, would you eat a biryani hard, a tough meat?
After this, as long as he is not cooking it, I will eat it.
Ang pinakamahalaga dun, nag-enjoy kayo.
Yes.
Mag-aaral ng pagluluto. At this time, alam nyo na kung paano gagawin next time ang kaldereta. Mula sa libro ni Ninong Ray.
Yes.
Maaari na kayong umalis sa bahay ni Kuya.
Para sa lahat ng bumoto, sa lahat ng naniwala sa The Burst, we enjoyed cooking. Something that we learned from Ninong Rai is never be afraid to experiment. In this channel, we became a better duo.
Wow.
And we will bring this sa outside world.
Yes.
Thank you, Big Brother.
Yes.
Palakpakan natin muli ang Dan Burst.
Kasi andito na yung music eh.
Okay.
Yung pang...
At sa pagbabalik ng ating programang Can a Cookbook Teach My Friends How to Cook? Sino kaya ang makakapagkamit ng ating 5,000 pesos para bayad sa kanilang niluto? Na ang pinakamasayang bagay dito ang matuto at mahalin ang pagluluto, hindi yung 5,000 na mukha kang pera ka. Love you all. Mwah.